Good day everyone, my name is Janet F. Caminade. So today I'm gonna discuss what is measures of central tendency for ungrouped data. So measures of central tendency for raw or ungrouped data are statistical methods used to identify a single representative value that encapsulate the central or the middle point of the database. So measure of central tendency for ungrouped data are statistical techniques used to find a single representative value that signifies the center or midpoint of a dataset. These measures, such as the mean, median, and mode, provide insight into where the bulk of data points cluster, offering a snapshot of the typical or central value within the dataset without categorizing or grouping the data. So basically, measures of central tendency for ungrouped data are like tools that help us find the middle or average value in a bunch of numbers. Imagine you have a list of numbers and you want to know which number is the most typical or the middle one. So, the most common measurements are the arithmetic mean or the mean, the median, and the mode. So what is mean? The mean of ungrouped data is just the average of all individual numbers in a dataset. You find it by adding up all the numbers and then dividing by how many numbers there are. So basically, the mean is just the total of the individual numbers in the dataset and divided by the numbers of the total of the dataset. So how to find the mean in ungrouped data? First, we have to add all the numbers and then divide that sum by the total count of numbers or the n to find the mean. So basically, we just need to add all the numbers, the given numbers, and then divide that to the total count of the numbers. So for example, calculate the mean of numbers 10, 5, 8, 15, 7, 6, and 5. So, mean is, the first step is we need to sum up all the numbers. So, we need to add the 10 plus 5 plus 8 plus 15 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5. So, that is equal to 56, and then divide it by the, the numbers of how many there are. So 7. So 56 divided by 7 is equals to 8. So our mean here is 8. Next, how to find the median in ungrouped data? Finding the median in ungrouped data involves arranging the data in ascending order and then locating the middle value. If there's an even number of data points, the median is the average of the two middle values. So the median is the middle value in a data set. So finding median in ungrouped data is the first thing we need to do is arrange the data into a ascending order or lowest to highest, and then we will locate the middle value. So if there is an even number in the data set, we need to find the 2 or the even number in the center of the data set and then use the formula. So we need to add the two even numbers. So for example, what is the median of the following ungrouped data set of exam scores? 89, 72, 94, 68, 77, 85, 91, 63, 75, and 80. So the first thing we need to do is to arrange the data set into an ascending order or lowest to highest. So 83, 68, 72, 75, 77, 80, 85, 89, 91, and 94. So in this case, there are two middle value. Sorry, it is an even number. So the median is the average of the two middle values. So we need to add the two even numbers, the 77 and the 80. So 77 plus 80 is equal to 157 divided by 2. So it is equal to 78.5, and that is our median. So next, how to find the mode in ungrouped data. So the mode in ungrouped data is the value that appears most frequently in the data set. Unlike the median in the mean, which deal with central tendency, the mode focuses on identifying the most common values in the data. So the mode is the repetitive numbers. It appears repeatedly in the data set. So for example, what is the mode of the following ungrouped data set of exam scores 89, 72, 94, 68, 77, 85, 91, 68, 75, and 80? So for me to easily get the mode of the data set, I am arranging that given to a ascending orders. So it is 68, 68, 72, 77, 80, 85, 89, 91, 94. So we saw that the 68 is a bimolar, or it appears twice. So that as our mode, the number 68 appears twice, which is more frequent than any other value. Therefore, the mode of this ungrouped data set is 68. So, practicing measures of central tendency word problems. So I prepare 5 problems for us to practice the measure of central tendency. The problem number 1, 10 students scored 85, 92, 78, 88, 90, 77, 85, 92, 78, and 85 on a test. So calculate the mean, median, and mode of their score. First, we need to find the mean. So, mean, we need to add all the given numbers and divide it by the total given number. So, 85 plus 92 plus 78 plus 88 plus 90 plus 77 plus 85 plus 92 plus 78 plus 85 is equal to 850 and divided by the 10. So 850 divided by 10 is equal to 85. So therefore, our mean here is 85. Next is the median. So first thing we need to do is arrange the data set into ascending order. So it will become 77, 78, 78, 85, 85, 85, 88, 90, 92, 92. So the case here is there is even numbers. Our median is even numbers, so we need to find the average of the two number to calculate our median. So 85 plus 85 divided by 2. So 170 divided by 2 is equal to 85, and that's our median mode. So our mode here is we need to find the number that appears twice or 3 times or more than one. So in this case, we see that the 85 appears 3 times, so that's our mode, because the there is 2 numbers that appears twice, but then 85 appears 3 times, so that's our mode. So problem number 2. The age of the group of friends are as follows: 25, 30, 22, 27, 24, 29, 28. So find the median age. So we need to arrange it into ascending order. So it will become 25, 30, 22, 27, 24, 29, 28. So the median is the middle value, which is 27 years old. So problem number 3 and 4. In a store, the prices of 10 different products are 799.50 pesos, 624.50 pesos, 949.50 pesos, 749.50 pesos, 824.50 pesos, 899.50 pesos, 974.50 pesos, 674.50 pesos, 624.50 pesos, and 799.50 pesos. So what is the mean and median price of these products? So we're gonna compute first the mean. So we are gonna add all the given values. So the total of all the given values is 7,994.50 pesos divided by the total of the given data. So it is 10. So 7,994.50 pesos divided by 10 is equal to 799.45. Therefore, 799.45 is our mean. So next is the median price of this product. So we are gonna arrange all the data set in ascending order, therefore it is lowest to highest. Then after, we are gonna locate the middle value. In this case, there are two middle values, so it is even number, so we are gonna find the average of these two. So 799.50 plus 799.50 pesos divided by 2 is equal to 1,599 pesos divided by 2 is equal to 799.50. Therefore, 799.50 is our median. Problem number 5. In a class of 20 students, they were asked about their favorite color. The responses are as follows. 7 students like blue, 5 like red, 4 like green, and 4 like yellow. What is the mode of the student's favorite color? So, as you can see as the table, the blue has 7 number of students. So therefore, the mode of the student's favorite color is blue, which is 7 students prefer.